Hey everyone! Today we're opening the MSI Vector 17HX AI A2XW for full lab data, reliability, display quality, benchmarks, and more. Check the detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is shown below. Let's dive in. We use a JIS number 1 screwdriver. We undo a total of 13 screws securing the bottom cover. All the screws are the same length. With a thin plastic tool, release the locking clips along the upper edge. Done. A quick look at the hinges and the cooling hardware, vent openings and fin stacks at the rear corners suggest a dual fan setup inside. Pop the clips in front of the hinges by hand first. The chassis is large and the bottom panel has some flex, so we can lift it off without extra tools. Flip the device, press the middle of the panel, then pull the sides outward and up. Take care around the side. There's an audio jack in this area. Panel off. That's the audio jack to watch out for. Remove the battery screws. This is a 90 watt-hour pack, with a label showing a rated capacity around 87 watt-hours. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Gently disconnect the battery cable. A light pull is enough, don't force it. You get two 22-80 SSD bays, one PCI Express 5 and one PCI Express 4. You also have two slots for up to 96 GB of DDR5 6400 RAM. We removed the primary SSD. This should be the Gen 4 slot, although we don't have official layout scheme confirming it, nor any marks on the motherboard. We can't test it now either, but the Gen 5 slot is most probably the one nearest the CPU and GPU area for shorter and cleaner PCI Express 5 routing. Here is the wireless card. Intel BE Wi-Fi 7 with Bluetooth 5.4. Yep, no labels here. The memory sits under a shielding flap. Lift it from this edge. It's snug. A small suction cup makes lifting easier. We remove the RAM. This unit ships with two 16GB modules, DDR5 5600 SO-DIMM. We won't take out the Wi-Fi module. Two SSD slots, two RAM slots, and two cooling fans, plus that big 90 watt-hour battery that we removed, make upgrades straightforward. Enjoy this 360-degree spin of the laptop and let us know what you think in the comments. For thermals and noise under load, display measurements, and our battery life results, see the full review on laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe for more teardowns and lab-tested reviews.